This year, the Sankalp Forum partnered with Global Index Insurance Facility to build the profile of innovative insurance products across Africa and explore innovative solutions to building resilience for smallholder farmers. Therefore, we hosted the Africa AgTech Inclusive Insurance Challenge to identify and support some of the most promising AgTech entrepreneurs who are changing the face of agriculture for smallholder farmers. We co-hosted several knowledge-sharing sessions with key experts from the insurance industry on related topics, including inclusive insurance, de-risking women farmers, and disruptive insurtech. By mainstreaming these key industry insights, we intend to grow the interest for and uptake of innovative insurance solutions across the continent.
When I come to Sankalp, it was our first international exposure going out of Ethiopia. So I was expecting a lot of things to happen, to get a lot of experience from different peoples. We have created a good connection, and before 2 weeks, we were having a detailed Zoom conversation with one of the investors about our products, and it's still going on. This is going to be a very life-changing opportunity for us, especially here in Ethiopia. It will greatly help our startup company to expand to other regions.
I was excited because coming to this event, there are lots of fantastic, brilliant ideas and founders. I was feeling somewhat intimidated, but having to be considered to be a winner, I think it's a responsibility now on my shoulder to continue to do the work that I'm doing and to support the ecosystem in any capacity that I can.
So a platform like Sankalp is very key for startups like us. One, to fine-tune our product, because you're going to be interacting with the investors who understand business, and so they help you to work out your business model. One. Two, you get to interact with people who will also can become partners and help you grow your company, and also it helps with the visibility of our solution. That way we're able to grow.
My experience in the summit has been great because we met investors and also players in the same market and same space as us, and received very good feedback as well as connections and foundations for future partnerships.
It's a great win for us as AgTech Plus, and I believe this is a great win and a great start for the smallholder farmers to start sowing great. The Sankalp event has been a success for us. Having that, we have created a bigger network, not only in Africa, but in the larger world. And we have had many investors who have shown interest to invest with us, which we did not have before.
So we had 208 applicants, and out of those we narrowed them down to 5, and the investors or potential investors were fairly impressed, and the prospective investees or these innovators also have benefited from networking within Sankalp, and some of them really now have solid leads starting from today that will help them move their ideas to the next level, and probably in the next 2 or 3 years develop award-winning and multi-million companies around their innovations.
Well, this was amazing. A lot of people with different knowledge from different sectors came together. My experience personally is in livestock insurance with respect to climate. People who have experience in crop, who have experience in micro-insurance and other areas of insurance from different parts of the world were here. The exchange over the last 4 days was great, both online and offline. And the environment that was created by Sankalp was really a very useful environment to exchange knowledge and build network.
One of the ideas that came out was that digitization is important in terms of encouraging innovation and enabling those innovators to address these particular challenges. So that's an area that we should keenly focus on.
No better place to be discussing solutions, making awesome friends, and meeting the future of entrepreneurship than Sankalp.
As discussed during the InsurTech session last week, partnerships between InsurTech digital innovators and traditional insurer or other players in the industry are essential to create products that are accessible, affordable, and relevant to the end client, thus building trust and enriching the overall customer journey.
The current market is estimated at 70 billion. It's growing quite fast. If you compare to other regions, it's only behind Latin America in terms of the growth rate.
InsurTech is making such big steps forward, and I see this increasingly also for the future. I think thanks to InsurTech, we can scale up a lot of more traditional initiatives that try to reach low-income groups. And I think in the next 10, 20 years, we can speed things up in a way that has never been possible before.
Trust is a key issue for insurance. It's not a key issue for women, man. Like it's like the core of insurance. There's no such thing of insurance without trust.
Women segment is good business. It's not a corporate social responsibility. By diversifying, you can make much more money while also having a big impact on the social and economic side.
Conferences and summits like Sankalp really do allow us to reach beyond our traditional audience, which typically when we are presenting and raising awareness around the women's insurance opportunity, it's to a very insurance-centric audience. So to be able to tap into an audience that is very much engaged in addressing similar issues, but might not be within the core audience of insurance companies, that's incredibly beneficial for us.